Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rahimi. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss how can you find materials for your exams like USMLE, AMC, MCCQE. This is our first tutorial upon our website, Qbankly. So in today's tutorial, I am going to discuss how you can use this question bank very efficiently, okay? First of all, you have to see all the question banks available here. Here you can see USMLE, USMLE High Yields, NBME, MCCQE, AMC, UCAML, MRCP. American Board of Internal Medicine, NCLEX, COMLEX, DE, and NCAT. All these exams, questions, materials are available on this web. Right. So in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss especially USMLE. So click here. And now USMLE modules will be open. In these USMLE modules, you can see a lot of question bank like embossed question bank, right? Mehelman question bank, one of the top class question bank nowadays. Past medicine, USMLE RX, and the king of Q banks, UWorld is here. You can see, and these all question banks. Now I will show you how you can use this question banks. Okay, so we will start here with the UWorld question bank, like USMLE step one question bank. Exactly same number of questions are present in the update, like updated UWorld March 2026. So first of all, you have to select the question bank, right? Then you will click upon the new test, right? So then you can select your subject in any subject you wanted to take the test. So you can select those subjects. Okay. For example, let's choose all the subjects. Okay. Okay. After this, you can select here or your system, in which system you wanted to take the test. Let's suppose cardiovascular system. And at each system, you can further select subtopic. All right. So let's suppose cardiac arrhythmias. Right. We have to go next. Okay. So here you can select any question filters like what status of questions you are going to solve, like those which are marked by you, which are used by you, which is unused or corrected or incorrected. You have to select here like this. Now, for now, I am going to select all. After this, you can select any specific question IDs. If you wanted to compare it with the original URL, just type here the question ID number and it will automatically direct you to the same page. After this, you can make a test parameter, right? You can give it any kind of name. After this, select the number of questions, and then you can select tutor mode or time mode. Tutor mode initially for explanation, and time mode when you are going to take the test. So the time mode is going to be best. Now, for now, I have selected 5 questions from cardiology, and let's suppose for now in this module we have selected a tutor mode. So after this, you will select upon begin the test. Okay, so after this you have to read the question, right? For example, I have read this question, and for example, you can easily make your highlights, you can easily make your notes. For example, like this, you can make your notes here, like you can write here, you can paste here, right? For now, let's suppose we are writing Qbankly, right? And you will save here, so your notes will be saved here. Okay. After this, you select the best answer. For example, for now, let's suppose you can select any question you want. For example, if you select this question, sarcoplasmic reticulum, right? So here you can see the explanation of this question, right? And you will show here why the choice A is incorrect, or choice C and D, why the choice E is incorrect, and the other choice B is correct. So here is educational objective is written, right? So this is the best answer, membrane potassium channel. Okay. So for now, I want to analyze this question, why I make it wrong. So let's go to a deep dive. So now it will show me the results, why I was trapped, right? So you have selected any wrong option, why you have choose that. It will tell you because of the following reason you have made the question incorrect, and it will also show you the key distraction points, and it will also rectify it, the lock it in you in at your minds. Okay, and then at last you can see a null point. If anywhere there is a prolonged QT interval, it means it is disordered the pointage risk. Okay, so then you can make go to the next question, for example, as we have discussed, and after that you can go to the third question, like fourth question and fifth question, and this way you can. So here, as I have selected 5 questions total, and the fourth, the 3 questions I skipped, 1 question I solved. So now it's your last question. So finish examination. You will click upon here and finish your examination. All right. So here you can see examination report, your final score. All right. I have taken 1 question, and at least 10 questions are required for AI analysis or USMLE score predictor. Okay. Date is mentioned, total time taken is mentioned. Okay. Test doses is mentioned. Here is your response sheet, percentile, 67 percentile. Each and everything is mentioned here. Okay. So this is all about how you can take the test.
Okay, now let's talk about the review section. One of the most important features of Qbankly. Here, you will click on the review, the test history. Here, you will select the most recent test you have completed. and click on the review section. So here all the questions you have attempted is saved here along with your answer, the correct answer, and a detailed explanation. This allows you to revisit your mistakes, understand where you went wrong, and strengthen your weak areas. So instead of solving random questions again and again, you can focus on the topics that need the most improvement. Like here, you had corrected one question right and one wrong. So you will click on the wrong one and focus on those topics that need the most improvement. So regularly reviewing those incorrect answers is one of the best ways to improve your score and retain concepts for the long term. Here, you will see the detailed explanation to the every choice, and in that way you will ace your exam. Thank you.